Come on, Sarah. Have you got it already? The move floor is here.
Yes, ma'am. One moment, please. Vicent Andrés Estrellas? Who is he? I don't find anything. I need help.
Hi.
Hi, Natasha. Can you help me?
Of course. What time is you prefer?
As soon as you can.
Okay, bye.
Hi.
Hi. That's your new house? It's beautiful.
Yes, but it's empty at the moment.
Don't worry. Why do you call me?
Well, the situation is, I have found an Spanish book with a Spanish name in my old house. I only know that he Vicent Andrés Estrellas and was born in a Basque family in the 1924 at Burtasol. He was a German writer and one of the most important Valencian poets of the century, and he died in 1993 at the age of 68 years old in Valencia. Can you help me to find more information?
Oh, of course. I love these things. This would be the best summer ever.
Hi, Sarah. That's what I have found. The poets who influenced him were Baudelaire, Neruda, Eluard, Pavés, and Walt Whitman, and some Spanish poets like Riva, Rusiñol, and Autos. He met his wife Isabel when he was working at Las Provincias. At 1955, he get married with Isabel, and they have a daughter who died 4 months later. Yes, it's so sad. Then he writes Coral from Pú, La Primera Soledad, and La Nit. After that, they have 2 children, Carmen and Vicent. Okay, now you want to see Monica and I call Conchi. Bye.
Hi, Monica.
What?
Don't worry, you only have to listen to me.
Okay.
Sarah have found a strange book. She needs information about the author.
Oh, so you need my help, don't you?
A little.
Give me the book.
Thank you so much. We'll see tomorrow.
Later.
Hi, Sarah. I have all the information that you need. And what's that? I found a project called Project VAE. This project also used to give information to students about different poets. For example, one of them is Vicent Andrés Estrellas. Oh, it's interesting. Can you tell me? Okay, this presentation was made by Vicent Andrés Estrellas' grandson. He explained Estrellas' life in there with pictures. You can see? Yes. And those notebooks have the students learn. Yes. This notebook is from Treball, and this is from Aldaya. And this newspaper, Las Provincias, was the place where he worked as a journalist. Okay.
I Hi, Monica.
Let's go to Sarah's house.
Come on. Oh, it's here. Okay.
Hi, Monica. I'm Natasha.
Hi.
What are you doing? Nothing. Don't change here.
Oh, hello.
Hello, Natasha. Hello, Monica.
Hi.
Fine then. What's this?
Wait. This is the information that contains the platform.
I have some information too.
Very good. Tell us.
Negotiate. What did he write? Vicent has got a diverse and very expensive work. Also, it was known what he's writing. He also do a lot of novels, plays, and memoirs. He talked a lot in them about death, sex, and formula. Since the 70s, he published with more frequency, and he won a lot of awards. The most important work that he did was El Libro de Desmadeye, that means the Book of Wonders.
Oh, it is the meaning of the title.
Yes.
But misinformation.
I have found that at 1978, he received the Honor Award Catalan Literature and others like Valencian Award, Letter and October Award. Many musicians have made music for his poems, like Ovid de Montreuil and a band called Oberyn Pass. There's nothing I like as much as garlanding roast peppers with virgin olive oil. Then I drink happily. I talk to the oil, to the fruits of the earth. I love roast peppers, not too roast, than drink them, but with the inside hasty to get at when you leave of the burnt skin.
I spread them on the plate in exactly sequence, and garland them with oil and a pinch of salt, and I dunk lots of bread, as the poor people do, in the oil mixed with a salt and flavored by the roast peppers.
Eucharistically. Then I pick up a bit of pepper and a bit of barley with my thumb. In my index finger, I raise them audibly. Eucharistically, I stare at them in the air. Sometimes I reach a point of ecstasy, of orgasm.
I close my eyes and grab down the motherfucker.
Pense que ha arribat l'hora del teu cant de València. Temies el moment.
Espérate, hija mía. Espérate.
I'm explaining books with an
Temies el moment del teu cant de València. Volies cantar sense solemnitat, sense mediterrani, sense grecs ni llatins, sense entitat de tres. Volies cantar d'una manera humil.
Vale, ya está, ya.
Veies lentament veies créixer
Joder, tío, ya.
arribava la nit,
Can you tell me to find one?
escrivies el carrer.
Y cuando eso me dice,
Tiempo.
nothing we can take care.
All right.
La vida és una i cada dia quan et passava a recollir una caputxa negra, texans amples, un mural descolorit. La vida és una classe a filologia on ens giràvem el demà. Professors colant-se a l'assemblea, a punts bruts, cabells daurats. La vida és un dijous que acabaria al teu pis d'estudiants. Quantes peunes grogues a la cuina, ombres nues, plats trencats. Després al plau cap al migdia, quan posàvem mal pagat. Una cançó d'extremo, roba estesa, València entre els llanços blancs.
Pero bueno, lo cortas. Después de la cama, acabando. ¡Igual que no me mire! ¡Ya, venga! ¿Qué pasa? ¡Pero mira que me
No.
Entonces yo la frase y venga.
Then I drink happily. I talk to the old, to the fruit of the earth. I love roast beef. Joder.
Set them on the plate in a sitting row of the bottom in the oil mixed with salt and pepper. Calificable, tío. Va, continua.
Segar la fruita dolça a les escales del mercat central. Pujar per cavallets fins la vall digna, fumar obrits, cantar a crits. La vida és una casa enderrocada, prop de les torres de Serrans. Amor, humor, respecte a la façana, foc i metralla a les nostres mans. La vida és agafar el primer tramvia del pont de fusta al Cabanyal. Una ciutat taronja a les finestres, un món en guerra, els ulls cansats. La vida és una barca abandonada que van trobar davant del mar. Sentim-nos com dos nàufrags a la platja, l'últim cop que em vas besar.